So today we visited the allotment again to cover the strawberries, as I suddenly got this fear or knowledge from other people that the birds may come and try and eat our first strawberries, and we don't want that. So we put these hoops over them and the netting over to try and stop the birds from eating it. And then we visited our new house, finalising by coming back home, and I planted some more seeds to just put here on our deck, etc., just to grow, as the weather's so nice, and this early evening was lovely after a lovely roast early tea, late lunch we had, which was nice. As you can see, Emily's spinning around in the background having a great time, but it was lovely just to be out in the warm weather, enjoying the environment that we've got. Looking forward to my bigger garden at the new house, as this will make such a huge difference to what I can actually grow at home. My hope is to have a nice big greenhouse where I can actually be very, very productive at home, and have more starting earlier. I do have my polytunnel at the allotment, but having something at home just gives you that bit more, well, will give me that bit more freedom to grow a lot more, as we've got the space to grow.